Good morning, teachers, and welcome to another episode of Experiments with ScienceBus Science Bus. Today we shall look at the Electromagnetism Kit, and in particular, we shall try to understand the concept of a magnet's range. To carry out this experiment, we will need magnets of all the different shapes you can find in the kit, and above all, we will need a great many paper clips. To check the range of a magnet, we can carry out two tests. First of all, a magnet always has a radius of action, that is, a space within which it is able to exert its magnetic force. To carry out this test, it will be sufficient to take a magnet, one of the many magnets included in the kit, take a paper clip, and bring it close more slowly and carefully. And observe at what distance the paper clip is attracted. To carry out this test and obtain even more precise measurements, we can use a ruler, and by placing the ruler in between the paper clip and the magnet, see after how many centimeters the paper clip is actually attracted. Let us repeat the experiment using several different magnets so that we can clearly see the difference in the range over which the various magnets in our kit are able to exert their magnetic force. Another test we can carry out to check a magnet's range is to see precisely how many paper clips our magnet is actually able to lift, and therefore how much weight force the magnetic force it exerts is genuinely able to counteract. To do this, we use a fairly large number of paper clips, which we spread out across our table, and then we take our magnet and see exactly how many it can lift. Okay, our cylindrical magnet managed to lift up to 4 paper clips altogether. Let's now repeat this same test using magnets of different shapes. And this rectangular one only manages to lift just 2 paper clips, as you can clearly see. So each magnet has a different lifting capacity, and these are very simple tests that we can easily do to check it. To keep discovering more experiments on magnetism, please continue following us here at Experiments with the ScienceBus Science Bus.